The Italian Deputy Health Minister Pierpaolo Sileri says that he believes Italy is currently experiencing the peak of the coronavirus outbreak. More than 10,000 people have died there, the highest death toll anywhere in the world. He told the BBC that the country might see a drop in the death rate in a week or 10 days' time. Mr. Sileri was speaking to the BBC's Andrew Marr.
I believe the lockdown starts to work. I mean, we start the lockdown at the middle of March. I mean, we did start with the first lockdown between the 8th and the 9th of March. So obviously you need to wait at least 14, 17, 18 days after that to see the reduction of number of infected people. Over the last few days, we had an increase of infection, and this was due to the increase of the swab that have been performed. So we are searching more, and obviously we have more results of positive people, mainly with low and without symptoms.
Sorry, can I ask you to explain exactly what has changed, do you think?
Over the last 3 days, we start to do more swab, especially to trace and
so people. You're testing more, basically.
We are testing more, exactly. And obviously, when you test more, you may find more positive people, and this will explain the increased number of positive that we found over the last 2 days. But I believe that we are living in the peak of this epidemia. I believe in 1 week time, 10 days maximum, we will see a significant drop of positive cases.
That's the Italian Health Minister Pierpaolo Sileri. And in fact, just as you were listening to him there, we've had some more official figures from Italy saying that the death toll from coronavirus has risen by 756. That's to 10,779. And we've also got the total number of confirmed coronavirus cases, so people testing positive for coronavirus in Italy, and that has risen to 97,689, and that's a rise from 92,472 on Saturday, so a rise of about 7,000 or so. Those are the latest official figures from Italy. Well, the number of coronavirus fatalities in Spain rose by 838 overnight, marking the country's highest daily rise in deaths. 6,500 people have now died from the virus in Spain, and there are just under 80,000 confirmed infections. It's one of Europe's hardest hit countries, but Spanish health officials say the virus there could be near its peak. Well, the journalist Graham Keeley has the latest developments from Madrid.
The government are going to approve these new restrictions. They will come into force from tomorrow. They will mean that essentially non-essential workers, these are, for instance, construction workers, postal workers, people working on production lines, which